in the jungle.
Hey Jonathan, I just want to show you how you've helped us a lot. You can see here we've got a bunch of fruit and stuff, and all of it goes in the refrigerator, but we definitely could use it. We have, here's our broken freezer here, but it's okay for the ministry in the remote village. You can see all of our refrigerators already full, so we have so much more, which is a blessing to have food, but we need more space, and especially as we're expanding with business, we need more space. So, because you helped us out, this refrigerator here is going to inside our store, and the freezer is going inside our store. But we need something for our home because we're doing a lot of the manufacturing and stuff in our home. But this is one only for display for selling, and this one is for our stock for making smoothies and stuff. But that little tiny thing's not enough for a home of 8 people. So this is what you guys helped us out with. I really want to thank you and your wife. I'm sorry, I don't know her name. We just got this today. Anyway, just this, the refrigerator side, is 50 liters bigger than the entire capacity of the small one. And that includes the wasteful little freezer box. And this one is actually slightly bigger than the entire capacity of that also. So altogether, this really, really helps us. And if you can imagine, we'll have pitchers of soy milk and juice and trays of tofu in here. We'll have maybe some pancake batter and pitchers and things, as we want to sell healthy pancakes and juices and things. So, thank you so much. All right, guys. We're having our first communion service for the kids. They've never seen anything like this, I don't think. Anyway, we wanted this Sabbath to be more special. This is very new to them, so. Anyway, just sharing. These are the Bibles we got for them, and we got some grape juice here, which is very special here. We have banana cake, and coconut pudding, and crackers, and fruit. So, alright guys, just want to share what we're doing before we do it. Alright, bye.
Ayo, mana peluk uncle dong, sama 8 tahun. Sit down, sit down. Yeah! Happy birthday, Uncle!
Hi guys, we're on our way to Columbia Hospital in Maiden. We're in a executive transport, it's called. It's about the most efficient way we can get here. Githa's not feeling so good, so we have to go today, kind of emergency thing. It's nice, it has AC, so can't complain. Anyway. We just passed a place called Kabanjahe. It's about a little past halfway from Siantar to Maiden. And as you can see, it's fairly nice. Just went through this little toll booth. And I don't know, I think we're like 80 kilometers away or something from Maiden, which won't take too long. We go pretty fast here. We'll probably end up stopping at the Kuala Namu airport on the way. We usually stop there unless there's no passengers going that direction. So, yeah, get back with you later. We're still on our way to Maiden. Just want to show you the pretty fields. Got palm oil in the background and rice in the foreground. And can't really see the road from there, but it's a nice road. Anyway, it's a nice view here. Zoomed in here, so the quality's not so good. Let's see. Not that exciting, but it is what it is. Okay guys, we're in the suburbs of Maiden, just dropping off some passengers. This transportation is really nice because they can drop you off in where you need to go at the end. So it might cost a little bit more at the end, but I mean in the beginning, but by the time you get dropped off where you need to go, it's very, very cost effective. So anyway, it doesn't look like much, but it is what it is. Get you later when we're deeper inside Maiden, in the main city. Okay, we're slowed down here in the city with a little traffic, so good time to look at everything. Got nice medians here with landscaped medians. You know, it just kind of looks like most any other city with a few tropical differences and stuff. We're a few days away from Independence Day, so I don't know if we'll see any flags or not. I see one on a truck, it looks like coming up. But people are starting to put their flags out. I'll see a red and white flag on this yellow truck up here. Second one here with yellow and green, there's a flag there. So, and it'll be the 76th year celebration, August 17th. Anyway, just a little more view of what it looks like here in Maiden.